What up, guys? Alright, we're gonna go pick up the wheel from UPS. It is now 2 p.m. and I only have 4 hours to get there, so we better make it quick. I'm gonna grab a Red Bull and then I will see you guys when I get the wheel. Let's go!
We're going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship, zooming through the sky. Little Einstein, climb aboard, get ready to explore. There's so much to find. Little Einstein, we're going on a mission.
Alright, guys, we are headed back from UPS. I got the package. As you can tell, it came in some ridiculous, oversized fucking box, but whatever. Anyways, I will see you guys back in the garage. I already got the energy hub installed, so it should be like 5 minutes and then we'll be done. So yeah, buddy, this is gonna look really good. I'm excited. Here. Let's get it in there. Old wheels off like that. No, it just blends, it just matches with the interior. Concavity is not too bad, as you can tell, but there you guys go. A little bit of a better angle. I went with the suede over the leather because I feel it's just not, it's not like an in-your-face suede. It's like, it kind of matches the Alcantara seats and all the little trim pieces and everything, so I don't know, I think it blends in pretty nice. Let me know what you guys think, if you like this one or the Grip Royal better. I personally like the MOMO. I think it looks a hell of a lot cleaner, but once I get the other couple of black trim pieces, the JDM black trim pieces, I think it will tie in nicely, and then once I get my seat. But let me know what you guys think, if you like this wheel or whatever. Yeah, so hopefully I will be having some more videos too. I'm also going to add in the TRD door sill install on here because it was only a 2-minute extra footage, so I wasn't gonna make just a 2-minute video. I figured that's stupid, so I figured I'll tie that in there too. Yeah, so hopefully some more videos to come and get this ball rolling. Yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys.
Chuki got the sauce, bitch.